recording a video for you guys real quick. So I just walked in through this. Watch this so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing here. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to create a sketch. So I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to go L. Just make a little line like this. I'm going to hit L. Go from here to roughly here. Go L from here to roughly here. And then I'm going to go to an arc. So I'm just going to create a little arc, like a 3-point arc. Oh, crap. Hold on one thing. Forgot to go from here first. L. And let's go from here to here. All right. Now that I have this, we're going to go to arc, go to 3-point arc. And what I'm going to do on these two guys, I'm going to click on this part. Okay. So I've just got this little shape that we just have right here. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go to a what's what I'm looking for? Oh, finish sketch. Now let's go to revolve. Okay, so I'm going to click on this revolve, and the axis that I'm going to select is I'm going to select this axis, this profile, which is going to give me this shape like this. Okay, now we're going to put a pattern on our pen. So if you look at this one right here, see how you've got dots on the side of this? You're going to have to put a pattern on yours. So in order to do a pattern, I'm just going to do a simple one real quick. So create a sketch. So we go on the top of this one. I'm just going to do a circle. So something not too big, something like that. So I've got this part. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a press pull. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to move this thing down. So I'm just going to go a millimeter. Now that I have this, I've got this hole. So if I wanted to make a pattern around this, I'm going to do this. So if you notice, there's pattern and there's also mirror. So mirror will do like the whole side. So if you had it set on the side, you can actually do patterns. So like I did a crate box that had a pattern. We used the same pattern on every single side. On this one, I'm going to do I did a mirror. On this one, I'm going to do a circular pattern. So on this one, I'm going to literally click on this bottom and on the side. So I think I've got that. And on my axis, since I've got this circular axis right here, I'm just going to go on this axis. So I'm going to try 5. Okay, and if I hit OK, now I've got this whole pattern that's got 5. Okay, on your pin, instead of it being on the top like that, you're going to have it on the side. So you basically do the same thing, except you're just going to select your sideways pattern once you have it. There's mud. Okay, I'm going to leave this up here. I want you to test it out, try it.